Looking at the rear of this S2000, the muffler actually has a high flow cat welded to the tip area. In some forms of competitive racing, it is actually mandatory that the car has a cat on it. The reason why it's positioned at the rear is to actually help keep more of the heat out of the cylinder head, overall helping the lifespan of the motor. Go ahead and start the car, we can hear it. Shut it off. So if in any of the competitive racing your team or you are doing, it is mandatory they have a cat. You may actually look into putting the cat at the rear of the car. In some cases this will really help the performance of the vehicle. Overall, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and email us at sales@projectimport.com. Go!